Hello students, welcome to science class. This is Akmal Hussain, lecturer Zoology, Square High School and College. Now I am going to take a science class of Standard 8, Chapter 5. Today's topic is excretory system. Excretory system. At first we have to know what is excretory system. The excretory system is a biological system that removes excess unnecessary nitrogenous materials from the body fluids of an organism. In multicellular organism, huge amount of chemical reactions taken part. From these chemical reactions, huge amount of byproducts are produced. Most of them are nitrogenous. The process through which this nitrogenous substance or nitrogenous unnecessary substance removed from our body is called excretory process. These nitrogenous wastes are harmful for our body, so it is mandatory or it is essential to remove from our body. Excretory products: water, carbon dioxide, urea, uric acid, etc. Expelled from the organs which take part in excrete the wastage, name lung, skin, kidney. Lung eliminates carbon dioxide, skin eliminates harmful salt substance from the body, and the liquid nitrogenous waste products of the body are excreted through the kidney. Waste products from the body are removed by kidney, skin and lungs. 80% of the total nitrogenous excretory products are eliminated as urine from the body, so kidney is termed as the main excretory organ of the body. The system which performs the function of excretion is called excretory system that I have told. A small amount of carbon dioxide is not injurious to health, but a large amount of carbon dioxide is toxic, which is injurious to body. Our body cell produces this gas as byproduct during respiration. Blood carries carbon dioxide from the cells to lung. The expelled air contains 4%, only 4% carbon dioxide. It also contains vapor and carbon dioxide. There is a picture of excretory system which is enriched of 2 kidneys, 2 ureter, 1 urinary bladder or bladder and 1 urethra. These 2 kidneys collect the nitrogenous wastage or collect the nitrogenous wastage from the blood by filtration process. Then this nitrogen enriched substance carried by the ureter and finally entered into the urinary bladder. When this urinary bladder fill up, then this urine excrete from our body by urethra. In this process, urine is collected from the blood and excreted through our body. Sweat: the clear salty liquid that passes through our skin and enriched of water, salt and small amount of carbon dioxide is called sweat. Urine. What is urine? Urine is a liquid byproduct of metabolism in humans and in many other animals. Urine flows from the kidneys through the ureters to the urinary bladder. Kidney is termed as the factory of urine production. They lie at the back of the abdominal cavity, one on each side of the vertebral column just below the diaphragm. Kidney act as filter. During the breakdown of excess amino acid in the liver, nitrogenous waste products like ammonia, urea, uric acid are formed. These are harmful for the body. The kidney extract this harmful substance from the body and excrete it from the body as part of a liquid called urine. Urine is a transparent, pale yellow colored aqueous fluid. Thank you.